everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these chorizo and cheddar meatballs. Alright, so for our chorizo and cheddar meatballs, we're going to need half a pound of 80% lean ground beef and half a pound of pork chorizo. If you want to feed more than 2 people, then you might want to double it or even triple up this recipe. Here I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And that all goes in. And in place of breadcrumbs, we're going to be using these pork rinds. That's just pork skins that have been fried, but I crumbled them up to give them a breadcrumb texture. So we're going to go ahead and add that. And I've got about a 1/3 cup of pork rinds, almost half a cup in here. I'm also going to need some cheddar, and here I actually have a blend of sharp, mild, and fontina, but you can just use regular cheddar cheese. You can use mild, medium, or sharp, and here I've got about a 1/3 cup, almost a half a cup, and then we're going to be using 1 egg. And now, using my nice clean hands, I am going to mix this up. Alright, I have mixed all of my meats and my other ingredients. So now I want to start forming my meatballs. In the meantime, I have turned on my oven to preheat it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so I'm just going to take enough here to make almost about a ping pong size, just a little bit smaller. And just make as many as you can with whatever you have decided to mix together for your chorizo and cheddar meatballs. But here is one, and I'm just going to place them on a baking sheet with some foil. You can spray it, or if you have a non-stick baking sheet, you can go ahead and use that. Okay, these are going to go into the oven. Okay, so here I have 2 trays with some little meatballs. I worked it out so that I could get 24 of them. Like I said, the oven is ready at 350 degrees, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in there, and they will bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Alright everyone, my chorizo and cheddar meatballs are out of the oven, and this is what they look like. You can serve them any way you want as an appetizer. Make a big batch, make quite a bit of them, and then you can let them cool off, freeze them, and also you can make them ahead for a party. And I'm going to serve this up with my favorite tomato sauce. So let me show you that, and we'll give this a taste. So this is how I'm going to serve up my meatballs, and I'm going to add my favorite tomato sauce on them, and this is ready to enjoy. Okay, that is what my meatball looks like inside. Absolutely delicious. I can taste all the nice seasonings and the chorizo and the cheddar inside that. It is absolutely delicious. Alright, so this is a keto-friendly meal, so I will put the recipe in the description box below for the chorizo and cheddar meatballs. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up. I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up and leave a nice comment down below and let me know what you think of this quick and easy recipe. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and thank you to everyone who has been subscribing. So welcome to my channel once again. Make sure you share on your social medias, and as always, enjoy.